Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete files from GitHub repository. If you have any unnecessary file or by mistake you added unrelated file in your GitHub repository, I'll show you how you can delete it. So first you have to go to a browser, search for GitHub, and after that you will get to its website through the first link. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you get there, simply open the repository in which you want to delete the files. Simply click onto its name and it will get open. After that, you have to simply select the file that you want to delete. Once the file gets open, then on the right side you will see the three dots. You have to click onto it, and then you have to scroll a bit within these options, and at the last you will see this option delete file. Simply click onto this option, and after that the file will get deleted. And that's how you will be able to delete files from GitHub repository. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.